Hello again. Well, it certainly has been a lovely weekend so far. A good deal of dry weather, some lovely warm sunshine, and more of the same really as we start the new week. However, if you like the heat, then beware, it's not going to last. I think by the end of the week, something a little more changeable takes over and potentially feeling a little fresher once more. But for the time being, it's high pressure that generally dominates our weather pattern, keeping things dry and settled and drawing up some very warm air for the near continent in the process. However, it will change. This will be the picture for Thursday. Low pressure begins to take over from the north and west, and it could well push a weather front or two our way. But for now at least, things remain very quiet. Dry overnight, largely clear skies, light winds as well, and that combination could give rise to some shallow patches of mist and fog by dawn. But having said all of that, it will be a pretty mild night, and certainly temperatures in towns and cities will remain in double figures all round. Tomorrow morning then, any limited mist and fog will soon disperse given that strong June sunshine, and for the rest of the day it looks very promising indeed. Staying dry, lots more sunshine to be found, and if anything, temperatures a little bit higher than they have been this weekend, up into the mid-20s quite widely inland, and just a little bit fresher along the coast with some sea breezes here. But wherever you are, beware, that sun is really strong and UV levels will be high or even very high. These are the times of high water for tomorrow. Then for Ventnor, there just before 1 in the morning and just around 1:30 in the afternoon. Beyond that then, temperatures will continue to rise for a few more days yet, probably peaking on Wednesday into Thursday. A small chance that one or two locations to touch 30 Celsius, but towards the end of the week, as I said, turning a little more unsettled. Hello there. It has been a beautiful weekend out there for many of us. Some lovely warm sunshine around and more of the same as we start the new week. Lots of warm sunshine and staying largely dry for a time. But beware, if you like the heat, it's not going to last. Towards the end of the week, something a little more changeable afoot and potentially quite a bit fresher as well. But this is how things look at the moment. High pressure very much in charge of our weather. That remains the case through the next few days, drawing up some very warm air from the near continent. However, as I said, it won't last. This will be the picture for Thursday. Low pressure moves in and the potential for some fronts to start to head our way. But out there at the moment, very quiet indeed. Dry overnight, lengthy clear spells, light winds, and with all of that taken into account, we could have some shallow mist and fog patches developing by dawn. Having said that, it will be a pretty mild night and temperatures, certainly in towns and cities, will remain in double figures. Tomorrow morning then, any early mist and fog soon dispersing as that June sunshine gets to work. And then through the rest of the day, it looks very promising indeed. Staying dry, plenty of sunshine, little in the way of cloud to speak of for most of us. And as a result, temperatures will get a little bit higher than they did over the weekend, up into the mid-20s inland, a touch fresher around the coast.